Hello, we solved this question from SSSCE called Mathematics, the year 1996, objective question 1. And there is a three-set problem. Many students have problems when it comes to three-set problem, especially when they are asked to shade or to name the shaded region. So today we are going to look at this. Before we start, if today is your first time on my students class channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so that you'll be promptly informed anytime we upload a new video. And hey, one more thing, click the like button so that the video can reach a lot of people. Thank you. Now let's continue. Now it reads this way. The shaded portion of the diagram is represented by A intersection in bracket B union C, B intersection in bracket A union C, C intersection in bracket A union B, and D A intersection B intersection C. Before I even start to solve this, I'm going to cancel out D, because with three-set problem, A intersection B intersection C is the region we find here. I think by now you should know this. If you have studied three-set problem before, you should know that the area that's all the three circles intersect or meet. So we have the C here, and of course this is the B, and then there is the A. So let me have their universal sets here. So that is the universal set. Let me draw a rectangle. It's not nice, but let's take it like that. Oh my god, this is not good. Okay, so let me try to straighten. Yeah, that is a little better. So we have the universal set here. Now the last one here, A intersection B intersection C, that is where all the three sets intersect, and where all the three sets intersect is this region. That is where they meet. But if you look at what we have here, you know, the region is different, so that makes the option D not even the correct answer. It's not part of it. So we have to look at the A, B, and C. Now looking at three sets problem is a bit challenging if we are taking all the three sets at a time. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to break it down. If you are very familiar with two set problem, then you know you can somehow understand three set problem. So we are going to break it down to two set problem. Of course, three set problem deals with three sets. We have the set A, the set B, the set C here, all coming together, intersecting and forming this so-called three set problem. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look at the options one after the other so that I can go, or you know, I can be a little bit fast here. Let me look at where you know the shading is going. Let's consider, say, the option A. I don't know whether I have to solve from here to there or from the answers to the diagram. Either way you can get the correct answer. But if to use the diagram, look at where the shaded region is very well. The shaded region happens to be partly in B. There is a part in B, this part. Let me shade it. Let me get that part shaded in blue. If you look at this part is in B. You see it is in B, and there is a portion that B shares with C, this portion, and this part is also in C. At the same time, this part is in A. So you can see that the part that is in B is also in A. The part that is also in C is also in A. Don't you see that the shaded region, the entire shaded region here, all of the entire shaded region here can be found in A? But if you consider the C, we have some parts that are not in C. This part is not in C. If you consider the B, this part here is not in B. But if you consider the A, you can see that it is the parts that has all the regions. That is, the shaded region is lies in A. So don't you think the set A is very, very important? So let me separate it this way. Now, automatically, if I look at the answers, I am thinking the option A should be the correct answer. Look at it very well, because if you look at it, all of them, it is only the option A that we have A as a set standing alone, and then intersecting with, a composite set that is B union C. Let me show you. Let me try to separate the sets. So I'm trying to do this. I'll separate the set A. I'll consider this as a one set, but I will treat the other two sets as together as it is. So I have C here and I have B here. So when A joins, then we can get what we are seeing. That is when A joins this B and C, then we can get what we are seeing here. But if you look at this, the whole of this set here, so it's like I have the whole of B and C, because the shaded region is in A and it comes together with B and C, so that the set B and C will have a portion of that. So you can see that this set here, if I combine everything here, is the set B union C. That is if I combine B and C. And if I bring the sets B and C together with the set A, and I find a common ground that these two sets share, the set B union C and the set A, I can see that the moment they intersect, that is the set B union C intersect with the set A, you see we have the entire set A here, and we have the entire set B union C. The entire set B union C will also be the whole of this. But the moment they meet, you see that the A will take some portion, and that portion will lie in the entire A. So that is why they intersect. The whole of here, they don't intersect here. So I am saying that because I see the shaded portion entirely in the set A, it's kind of giving me the idea that these two sets, so I treated B and C as a two sets, which intersect with a single set called the set A. So the correct answer should be A intersection then B union C. This should be the correct answer. And if you're not too sure about it, you can use some numbers or elements to prove it and see. There is a way to do it if you're not too sure. So I'm gonna draw bigger circles. Okay, that is cool. So you don't have to use a lot of elements. Some few elements will do. So call this set A, call this set B, call this set C, and then let me put some elements here. Let's here be 1, maybe here 2, here 3, here okay 3 and 4. Let me put 5 here, let me put 6 and put 7 here. Let me put 8, put 9, put 10, 11, and let me put maybe 12 here. Okay, so now let me look at the shaded region. Where is the shaded region? The shaded region is this region here, the entire region here. And the entire region here, what elements do we have here? We have 3, we have 4, oh sorry, we even have 2 here. So let me put a 2 in front of the 3. So we have 2 here, we have 3, 4, we have 5, and we have 7 and 8. So which of these options will give you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8? Let's try the A and C. What is B union C? B union C means putting B and C together. So there is B and C. So I'm gonna have a very big set here. So that is it starts from 2, then I have 3, I have 4, 5, there is also 6, there's 7, there's even 8, there's 9, there's 10, there's 11. Okay, oh, I think that is 12. I put 12 here. This was 12 because there is 2, this was 12. So the set here is going to be 3, 8, 12. Yeah, that's what it has to be. That is the 2. So here is 12. Okay, so that means that here we don't even have 2 here, we have 12 rather here. Okay, we have 12 rather here. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is the set B union C. Now, what is the set A? The set A is 1, 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 12. So what is the intersection of the set A and B union C? So what intersection, I mean, what are the set of elements or members that I find in B union C and A? I see 3 here, I see 3 here. Okay, 4, I see 4 here, I see 5, I don't see 6 here, I see 7, I see 8, and I see 12. So I see 3, 4, 5, 7, and 12. So what is the set 3, 4, 5, 7, 12? Look at it here. The shaded region here, there is 3 here. 3 and 4 are here. 3, 4, we have 5, 7, then we have 8, 12. So you can see the shaded region is what I've had here, and that is exactly the sets. So if you're not sure, you can just put some elements there, then you try to work it out. But it is very simple to guess and get the correct answer. Looking at where it has been shaded, because the set A, the entire set A is shaded. So you kind of split it into 2 sets and a single set, and you look at how they merge, because the entire elements of B union C, when it unites with the elements of A, we have a shaded or a shaded portion or region, and that is what we're talking about here. So the correct answer is A, and that is how we solve this question. Either you put in some elements, you can put in just one elements, and you do it very fast, or if you can also guess it very well, as I did say, because the entire region, shaded region or portion, lies within the set A, it's kind of give you the idea that we have the 2 sets, that is B union C, trying to find a common ground with the set A. So this gives the idea that the correct option should be A intersection in bracket B union C. So that is how we solve this question. Thank you.